Stockley, say what's up to YouTube. He's getting shy.
Alright, buddy.
Bossman's been hooking up the lighting today, just getting the lighting up here, the LED strip. You'll see that a bit later on. The original logo is going to be leaving us soon, man. Looks nice. They've just covered up everything here. I don't think I'm going to be able to do a bit of work. I've already got the camera rolling. Say hello to YouTube, man.
Hi.
This is Abigail. This guy.
Yes.
Give him some love, bruv.
What's going on, you alright?
Right, so don't be scared of the camera. This guy, man, I didn't have a chance to introduce this guy, but this guy is the first ever client to ever walk through those doors. Good, bro. First ever paying client. You paid me, bruv, to train you. You actually paid me to.
You know how to lie.
Yeah, I don't like. I freeze in front of the camera.
Don't worry, it's alright, it's all good. Guys, welcome to the vlog. We're here with two super cool peeps. Got my boy Chris, top baller, and his missus Abigail. Guys, this is gonna be a quick, short, sharp video. And are you guys shy, by the way?
Yes.
A little bit.
They might be a little bit shy, but the whole point of today's vlog is not to ramble on, or not me ramble on, because I do that enough as it is. But Abigail has been kind enough to come and take you guys through the transformation of this place. It's the home of skipping, as you all know, and she is the brains behind the transformation, right?
Yep.
She has designed everything from top to bottom, and Chris is just here, he's just here, right? He's just here to support. No, Chris actually was the first ever guy to walk through these doors and train and actually pay me. So thank you for that, bruv.
That's right.
But he's a good long-time friend, good footballer. And you still playing?
Yeah.
He's still playing. I've stopped playing. But guys, listen, sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. Abigail is going to take you through. And we're just going to, actually, to be fair, I don't want to put you under the pressure, right? We're going to keep it nice, raw, natural. And you're going to get to see what's been happening in the last 8 days. And then hopefully I'll show you in the next video how it turns out. But anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Here you go, man. Here you go.
So good.
You liking it?
Yeah, this looks great.
Boys, you're on YouTube, yeah? You don't mind, yeah?
Hello.
Say what's up, Manjeet, man. You're already you're famous on Instagram already. You know that?
Yes, how you doing? You okay?
He's the main boss. Boss is on the phone already. Always on the phone, man. So we used to do our little bit here, and do you remember this used to be the little, this used to be their functional bit, and then in that little corner was the gym.
Yeah, the weighted gym.
What do you think?
I think it's amazing. It looks just like the video.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I'm gonna have the video playing as well, by the way, in the background somewhere along this video.
Yeah, you should.
But so you said you wanted a little bit of a contrast with the back wall and the top.
So basically, you've got the white and the black. So you've got white around you and black above you, which are your main colours.
Exactly.
And then you're accenting it with the kind of the dark grey and the yellow.
Yes.
And then the lights are your skipping rope colours.
That's it.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
We need to put the lights on. Can we get the lights on, by the way, if that's all right? So you have it, peeps. This is a first look for you. I don't know if you're following me on Instagram, but I've been trying to do a daily little update.
Yeah.
And it looks cool, right?
Yeah, it looks really cool. I'm really happy with it.
So tell me why do people do different colours on the back wall and top ceiling? Because I was wondering why the whole thing wasn't black. So the back was black and the top was black.
It's just to give it a bit of variety. So you've got 4 main colours going on. You've got everything above you is black. That's what that does.
Yep.
Everything below you is white.
Mm-hmm.
But on the kind of intermediate areas, this is your feature wall.
Yep.
This is where your branding is set.
That's where the logo's going as well, yeah.
Yes, yeah. So you've got your logo right in the middle of it, and then your lighting. So this is your feature wall. So it just gives it this is the kind of the centre, the focal point of the area.
Got you.
And then we're going to have the text all the way around, which is going to be like your jumpers. So on your jumpers you've got the main colour,
Yep.
and then you've got maybe a few accent colours, but then you've got the text with all your kind of key logo words and stuff, and that's going to be flying around the room too.
They look super cool. I like the text, man.
Yeah.
I like, it looks so cool with the black ceiling, man. It like I was worried that it was going to look like caving in on you, which was with the white. It obviously looks bigger with the white.
Yeah.
But
And then you're going to have the really cool lights on it as well.
yeah. So by the way, we've got lights coming in as well today, peeps. Going to hopefully get that shot later on, but those are quite cool as well. I don't know what they're down here. There you go. These are the lights.
Yeah.
Talk about maybe how you wanted to divide the place up. Like, what did you have in mind for that?
So basically, because it's quite a small space, and we've got like pretty much a million different functions happening in such a tiny space. I wanted to make this the central spine.
Yes.
It's a multitasking area. So you can do your packing here, you can do your studio photography here, and you can do your blogging because you've got this feature wall.
Yes.
So things are kind of coming in and out, and they're all getting kind of folded away to the sides.
Yeah.
Whereas on that side, this is very clearly your working area, and in front of it you've got your chill out area, which is where your sofa is. And then on this side, you've got all of your storage for all of your merchandise.
Yes.
So this is where we're going to have the really cool sliding shelves. You just press a button and the whole shelf slides to the side.
I'm going to find a video and try and get that right on the screen right now. So here, this whole section is going to be close to like top of the ceiling, right? That's going to be...
Yeah. So
like,
this huge sliding shelves
wicked.
with branding down the side, which is going to look really cool.
Okay, but you happy so far?
Yeah, we're really happy so far.
Yeah, the boys are doing good jobs, man. Look, even Boss Man's getting his hands dirty. Look at him.
Just to clean it.
What's been interesting for you?
It's been designed really well by Abby. So
Big up.
Works, yeah.
Big up.
Abby, it's really good. We started with doing the LED at the back, doing the covering the frame, started doing the painting, started with ceiling coming down, done everything here. Only thing we've got to do now is the
lighting, is it?
on the top, and there was cabling for the TV and for the.
Oh yeah, I got to show you guys,
stuff.
man. People have been mentioning my cable work here. Look at it
So
now.
that's all behind the plasterboard and with the hatch.
And then we're doing the outside as well after, aren't we?
Yep.
There's got a lot of work to do outside. You enjoy working with me? Am I giving you issues?
No.
Yeah.
You're very good.
Good, man. I need to always give myself some props on my videos, man. I'm not a difficult customer. All right, let's talk a little bit about your outside vision.
Yes.
Quickly.
Yeah. Basically, we're keeping the same idea of keeping the theme of the branding on the building. So we are taking some of your prime colours, which are the blacks and the greys and the whites.
Yep.
We're going to do render all across the facade to make
Yep.
it a really smooth, sort of like a medium grey sort of colour. This is going to be black, this triangle up here. It's going to have your heartbeat sign
Wicked.
on it.
We were going to illuminate it so it looks like the bat logo, right? So it's going to fly out like into the sky, but it's too expensive. Been interesting to work on it?
Yeah, it's been really interesting.
What's been the hardest thing? What's been the best thing to do, and what's been the hardest thing? Because what do you normally work on actually? Let me ask you.
Mainly housing.
Housing, yeah.
So like many things like house extensions and.
So this is a little bit different.
It's a little bit different, but I like it. It's fun. I've never worked on a space so unique.
Yeah, it is quite unique. It's looking a lot more unique now. Before it just looked like a tip.
We wanted to fit as much storage in as possible. That was the primary function of the space.
There's a lot of storage in here, isn't there?
Yeah, so having the mobile, the shelving, that condenses everything, so you have more space to do things. But then also we wanted to make this back wall a branding wall, but at the same time have like the facility to have storage. So it was working out. I had to work out exactly how many units you could fit in all of the shelves that were designed. So we've worked them all out to fit within that back corner over there.
Because your detail is crazy, like the level of detail you go into. Because you asked me literally the size of my speed rope packaging, money rope, and legacy ropes, and we literally found the right drawers and everything to like fit them all in.
So I did a diagram. Well, I modelled everything. So I modelled every box and I put them in every single shelf so that we could see exactly how many we had.
Yeah.
So we know exactly how many we can fit, and it's a good amount. Like you're going to be able to keep all of your ropes in this space.
Your work is amazing, man. Come show them what you did, man. You've tidied up all the cabling here.
Cabling, I've done that one.
This
LED light.
But look, it's so tidy. Look at the cabling he's done here, peeps. Hidden everything behind this little cabinet.
You can see everything. There is access for if you want to run wire again.
You're a top man. And you used to do some bodybuilding, yeah?
Yeah. Before, not yet.
He's got some muscles. Look at this guy, man. If anyone opens up their packages and sees a little bit of dust on their stuff, then you know it's come straight from here. We'll try and wipe it down as much as we can.
Roof so you won't have showing joints as such.
I don't know what they're talking about. I've got no clue.
Oh, we can do any of those.
Any builders watching, it'd be nice to actually hear your comments. Any architects watching, drop me a line as well. Let me know what you think of the design of this place. Let me know what you think of Abigail's job. I'm sure you're going to all agree she's been phenomenal. She's been doing super cool stuff for the brand and for the HQ, and it's just going to look, I can already imagine it will look like the 3D model, but we're just trying to figure out the outside look, because originally we was going to paint this kind of all black at first. Now then we thought let's just paint it grey, just tone it down a little bit. Now we're thinking of this render thing, which I've just learnt about in the last few days, which is like a sand and cement stuck onto the wall and then you paint that. Yeah, they're just going through the options right now.
I mean, it would be cool to do a spotlight, but that would involve having to cut into the wood. I think we could just get a new fixture for it. We can just
new type of light, yeah?
Just something a bit more contemporary.
Trying to say I'm old school here. Check this out, bruv. Step away from it. Some Knight Rider flex, bruv. I don't know if it's gonna turn. Let's see if it turns. It's turning. Let's see if it turns. Oh, I've never tried this before. Ah, he's getting scared.
I'd reverse it.
Ah. I got scared. Gotta be natural. See, that was nice. So that, if I caught that, I was like, yeah, see you later, I gotta go now. Now you're gonna be like, all quiet again.
Now you're gonna say, okay, I got to go.
Alright, we'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for the advice and work. Sure, yeah. And sorry for bugging you every day, nearly.
Hey, it's exciting.
Chris, like, what's calling you for now again, man? What's wrong with this fool? you're walking history, bruv. That's what you are. You're literally
Alfred in the back.
Yeah. When this place goes down, you're gonna have to go down with it, bruv. You're gonna have to go like Batman 3. Listen, thanks so much. Guys, go check out this girl's work. She's actually sick. And I'll put your website as well if you want. You got anything going on?
Well, we're just together.
Oh, just look at that, man.
Collab.
Collabage. Yeah. There you go, man. All right, cool. Thanks so much for doing everything you do. See you next time, man. Peace, peace, peace. Boss like Neil.
Yeah.
I'm recording for YouTube today.
For YouTube?
Yeah, say what's up.
What's up?
This is Neil, guys. Neil is Bossman's son. Oh, they're playing the tunes, yeah? These guys got the tunes, man.
How much is that?
One cost me £80.
80 pounds.
For one. It's too much.
Very expensive.
Too much.
If you
It's good quality?
good quality, then you have to.
Alright, if Bossman says it's good quality, then it's good quality.
Yeah, it's good quality.
They look good.
Samsung, innit?
Samsung.
Yeah.
These are the main lights which are there now. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So equal distance well, it's got to be centered between this beam and these lights. Yeah, so two here, and two here. Alright.
Alright, so there we have it, peeps. Gonna let these guys get back to work. How long do you reckon? Should come back in about a few hours?
That's it. A
few hours, so I'm gonna show you now before and after right now. I'm excited about these lights, man. Smells good. What's lunch?
Rice, chapati, paneer burji.
Ah, nice. Who made it? You cook?
His wife.
Chef? Wife? Good cook, yeah?
I do myself.
You make yourself?
Yeah. I'm no chef.
You're no chef? No. It smells nice. Look at this, man. This is how to earn your living, man. 11 years old. Dad's got him working already. That's the pocket money you sorted, yeah?
No.
Nice. Looks good. We're getting everyone kitted out here. So starting to take shape. Absolute beautiful day, by the way, in London, man. It's been pretty up and down this summer. I mean, there's nothing new in that with the UK weather, but today's nice. Started off a little bit cold. Anyway, I digress. The place is starting to take shape, man. With these lights, it's now starting to look like that killer look, that killer RA look, that slick look that we're going for. Then you're going to really see most of the work like we've been talking about on the outside. When the outside starts to get going, and the colours and then the logo at the top here and all the other little bits and pieces, you're going to start to see, man, this place really take its shape. But I'm excited, man. I'm super excited. Okay, peeps, I'm going to catch you in that next video. Remember, as always, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.